Spain-bound trafficker. They don't arrest her. This will happen for Murtala Mohammed Airport, Lagos, Ikeja. Oh, my people. This one not be the regular drugs one I know. In fact, this one, it make me sleep, wake up, because I needed to confirm the whole wahala. They say this guy been there about to board a Turkish airline flight. When now from that place they call caughtt, they put them under excretion observation. I don't know how many of you now already they get where they go. Excretion observation. Now there they put them. I don't know who go snitch. I don't know what they manage. No, but my people now so they carry this guy. If you not see what is this guy, they bring out for a yash. 9:58 a.m. He go bring out 39 raps. Around 6:30 p.m. he go bring out 13 raps. 10:30 p.m. he bring out 16 raps. Then 7:30 a.m. 32 raps all together. And all these raps all at the year when they put them together, weigh them, calculate them for naira, my people, 423 million naira. Now been inside this boy's stomach. I beg, may not be like say I just the talk because I want to. Because join me, make me watch the video.
What is your name? Pardon? Henry. I'm not hearing you.
Open your mouth.
Henry. Okay, start counting. How many? 39. How many? 39. Who has screenshot them? You who?
For all of us, because we save a day inside. When we they ask every time, where did they see this money? Where did they see this money? I will not sure say we ready to go the way they go. Because before we they think that the normal way where we they work, we they get money. Charlie. No, this one. 423 million, 9% just put. Ha! I bet this one now, before you know, they go come to say, Odogu, yes. They go come the hyper. They don't know say this one. He don't suffer. In fact, they don't know say shit better shit before it become that Odogu. 113 wraps of cocaine. I been there persist stomach. Like I cannot just understand. The kind risk where we they take nowadays, I don't confuse. But my question be say, those people for airport, whether na police or security, how they take no say this thing been there this man's stomach? I know say they do that check thing. I know, but my people, I bet this one today, it's 2 days suspicious. It be like this person they behind, one snitch they behind this thing. Ha! Mogbe. This one pass. In fact, he pass matter. But una like risk, oh. Una like risk. I bet forget that. So wait, this guy no come think say, okay, what if I see they go now? All these drugs called burst inside his stomach. On regular highness, you go high. Before you know you don't die. Instant death. You go die. You know what they you know how many raps we they talk about? 100 and something for this small stomach. If you die now, they go come to blame devil. They go say, na devil do it. I don't understand. And the one way even they pay me for this matter because they told Sena for Spain. In don't they stay for years. You don't they stay for Spain for years. You know if you just think of one job. You know if you look for one job all the years where you did for Spain. They swear for you. Abi na juju. Abeg, see, I come back to the normal thing wey I always dey talk. Everybody get choice. No tell me I don't have a choice. We all have choices. This one now, wey na just what? Abeg, this guy no fit go dey teach English for Spain. There are many people wey need learn English. You are even in a country where they know they speak English and you cannot use your head up. I know just, oh God, why you give some people head? Wey you suppose share that head. All the things where they head, you for suppose share and add am to my wisdom. Wisdom no go kill me. You are in a country, they know they speak your language. So make you good use of it. Start to teach your language now. For this your age again, I go teach you something. For this your age, I go still teach you something. Una go dey risk una lives before you know either na jail sentence or death penalty. Meanwhile, una wetin dey call am barons. No be so they call their captains. Their barons go dey busy dey flaunt on Instagram. And now una go dey suffer. Now una be the passengers, abi travelers. How everyone call una. My people, na the matter be this. How many of una know the man? Abeg, make una go find way o. Because as e be now, as e be, where you go enter, una no go see her again. And I hope say this thing go teach una lesson. Say no to drugs, either by trafficking or taking it. I no understand. Say no to drugs. You go just die before your time. Wetin concern me? Abeg, start dey drop the comment for that comment section, and as usual, I go reply una one by one. Make sure say you share this video because everybody must know wetin dey happen right now. And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.